what came yesterday in terms of a done deal was the Reserve Bank tightening the rules of calculation of base rate in such a way that a cut in deposit rate gets passed on as quickly as possible, as much as possible, in the form of lower lending rates or higher lending rates, as the case may be. Is this tightening of the rule likely to result in this desired aim? Mr. P. Pradeep Kumar, Managing Director, Corporate Banking at State Bank of India, and Ram Sangapure, Executive Director at Punjab National Bank, join us. Basically, the two largest banks in the country have joined us. Good morning to both of you. Mr. Pradeep Kumar, does this make... you all have announced a series of deposit cuts. You all have not cut your base rate in the last several months. With the new rules, will that become tough? Will you have to cut lending rates when you cut deposit rates?
I don't think so. I think only one small rule has been changed in the computation of base rate. They have said that when you take for the computation of cost of deposit, you take the interest rate on a particular tenor of the deposit. They said it should be the one which has the largest deposit base. I think that as otherwise there is no change. That's only clarificatory circular. I don't think it's going to impact anything.
Okay. Mr. Sangapure, what is your own view on this? And more importantly, when will big banks like yours actually go ahead and cut lending rates? Because despite the rate cut coming in, we haven't seen any large banks pass it on just yet.
Yeah, I think it has an implication on computation of a base rate to a certain extent. Some of the banks, for instance, they have taken a particular bucket where probably the deposit share is not much in the total volume of a deposit. Now, if we switch it over to a bucket where the share of a deposit is much higher and the rate of interest of that bucket is taken for a computation of a base rate as a benchmark rate, then certainly there will be some impact on computation per se. But this is not the only factor which affects the computation of a base rate. The benchmark rate, as per the circular, there are 3-4 options before the bank. This is one of the options. Some of the banks may go for instance, marginal cost of deposit. Some of the bank may go for an average cost of the deposit. So if a bank is going for average cost of a deposit, probably this stipulation of Reserve Bank of India for a particular bucket, which has a largest share, has no impact so far as computation of base rate is concerned. But those banks who had taken applicable rate of interest for a particular bucket where the deposits are very minimum, for those banks certainly this will have an implications.
But what is the prevailing practice, Mr. Sangapure?
I feel that
most of you banks, what is your input into the base rate? What is the prevailing common practice?
See, 2-3 different practices are adopted in the banking industry. Some banks have gone for an average rate of interest for the previous quarter.
Okay.
They take that as a benchmark rate of interest. Some banks have gone for a particular bucket like 90 days to say 100.
No, I'm asking you which is the majority.
Some banks have gone for...
I'm asking you what do the majority of the banks do? Do they take deposit rates or do they take average cost?
I won't be able to because I haven't done any survey, but most of the banks have gone for an average cost.
What do you all have, PNB?
Average cost for previous quarter.
PNB has...
We have average cost methodology.
Okay. Mr. Pradeep Kumar, what is your...
Average cost method. We will review that. We will review that in line.
Okay. Mr. Pradeep Kumar, what is your input into the... What is SBI's input into the base rate?
I don't think we can discuss it on TV here, Lata.
Okay. Okay, for the sector as a whole, all right, Mr. Pradeep Kumar, for the sector as a whole, you said it will not have an impact, but if you are, if for those banks which are taking deposit rate as an input into calculating base rate, if you change the deposit rate of the deposit with the maximum share, say the 1 to 3 year bucket, then logically should not the base rate be affected?
See, I think recognizing this, RBI has given a leeway to banks to look at their base rate computation formula. Earlier they said you can review it only after a period of 5 years. Now they have said you can review it after a period of 3 years. The last time banks decided on the base rate formula, I think, was in 2010. So it's more than 3 years now. Banks will certainly have a relook at the formula they're using for computing base rates. Banks which have pegged their rate to possibly the deposit rate of a particular tenor, I think we'll have an opportunity to relook at the base rate formula. That is what the RBI circular is allowing the banks to do, have a relook at the computation of the base rate formula.
So is that what...
And the inputs that are going into the calculation of the betterment.
So is that what you expect is going to happen? Most of the banks with deposit rates as the input into calculating base rate will have a meeting and will change it to average cost. Is that the most likely outcome?
I think all banks will review their base rate formula, not only banks which have pegged their base rate to a particular deposit rate of a particular tenor. I think this gives an opportunity for all banks to have a relook at their base rate computation formula. I'm sure every bank's ALCO will sit and decide what to do with it now that they have an option to review it before the end of the 5 years. Now that every bank, I think, has completed 3 years because we did it in 2010, I'm sure every bank as ALCO will have a relook at the formula for base rate computation.
Okay. Mr. Pradeep Kumar, so in terms of a timeline, when will SBI go ahead and cut the lending rates? I mean, there is some talk that most bankers will cut it, after the slack season sets in April. But can we expect anything soon?
No, I don't take a decision. The ALCO takes decision. The ALCO will meet and take a decision at the appropriate time.
What is your informed guess about the sector, sir? When will lending rates fall?
See, you must understand that the repo rate is a signal for cutting off basically deposit. My view is deposit rate should go south, and it will take. And you must understand the deposit rates are applicable only for new deposits. So only the incremental cost is going to change. But base rate cut will affect every loan account which is connected to, which is linked to the base rate, which according to me in the banking system is around 70 to 75%. And it will get affected immediately. So it will have an immediate impact on the P&L of the bank. So banks will first reduce, I believe, deposit rates. And when the average cost of fund or the incremental cost of fund comes down, there will be a cut in the base rate.
Okay, fair enough.
But actually, after the repo rate cut announcement came, we saw two banks, Union and United, announce a cut in their base rate, and they have come from 10.25% to your rate, Mr. Pradeep Kumar. They have come to 10%.
Yeah.
But we did not see any announcement of deposit rate cuts. Will we see them, say, this week or next week?
No, I think that question you'll have to direct to United Bank and Union Bank. I thought Union Bank had cut some deposit rates.
No, I'm asking you all. Since I have... No, Mr. Pradeep Kumar, I have the two biggest banks with me. So a small bank does not change the industry's tenor, the industry's mood. I'm asking you as one of the biggest bankers, will we see further cut in deposit rates?
See, I think if you see most banks, we have the largest deposit in the 1 to 3 year bucket. And if you see our rate, it is at 8.5. It is lower than all the banks. I'm 25 basis points below the market.
Okay.
So you can't expect me to cut further.
Okay.
If I agree, if some larger banks cut from 875, if they are at to 850, then maybe we'll look at it. I can't be totally away from the market. As it is, I'm 25 basis points below market.
Mr. Sangapure?
And we have, and I think anticipating this cut in repo rate, we had already cut the interest rates on deposits first. We were the first to cut the deposit rates.
Okay. Mr. Sangapure, will you all be cutting deposit rates?
Yeah, we will review it. This week we have scheduled a meeting of ALCO. Probably we will review interest rate for a bucket of a 1 year to 3 year bucket. And accordingly, we will also be reviewing a base rate. We will take a call after reviewing base rate as well as reviewing a methodology of a computation of a base rate. And the another implication of this circular is that, apart from a base rate, Reserve Bank of India has also given a guidelines for a spread. In a spread, Reserve Bank of India suggests that we have to have a tenor premium. In a tenor premium now, the banking industry will have some kind of a problem because most of the banks are giving a loan at a base rate to home loans.
Yeah.
particularly affordable housing loans. Now, in light of this particular circular, we need to review that, whether we can be lending at a base rate or we have to add that kind of a premium to that base rate. And in that case, if we have to do that, probably the rate of interest for home loans may be tweaked further. Even if we reduce the base rate also, maybe slightly there could be a change in applicable rate of interest for home loans.
Okay, so you will lower
Home
the
loan
base
as well
rate,
as,
but you will
car
not
loans.
lower the home loan
All
rates.
tender loan.
Is that the message, sir? You will lower the base rate, but unlikely that the home loan EMIs will come down. Is that the likely result?
Yeah, in light of this particular circular, most likely that may result into.
Okay. Since we have both of you
We'll have
with
to
us-
review the entire thing. We'll have to
Sure.
review that.
Sure. Mr. Sangapuri, since we have you with us, there are some reports doing the rounds that Suzlon might be looking to sell its German subsidiary, and you are one of the lenders to Suzlon, PNB that is. Is there any truth to this story? Is the sale happening anytime soon?
I think, I'm sorry, I can't comment on a particular account because, bankers can't speak on a particular account.
You can tell us what is the exact exposure that you have to Suzlon, and have you been in any interaction with them?
No, I'm sorry, I won't be able to disclose all those things.
All right. All right, we'll leave it at that. Mr. Pradeep Kumar and Mr. Sangapure, thank you very much for joining us with your inputs on the base rate tweaking by the Reserve Bank. It does look like this far, despite the repo rate cut and despite the tweaking of rules to ensure that deposit cuts become base rate cuts, bankers are not going to, banks are not going to see any lending rates or ensure any lending rate cuts just yet. That seems to be the mood at this point in time. We'll have to wait and see, of course.